Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Class, today we will discuss about protein, energy, malnutrition. In previous video we discussed about introduction about malnutrition. We discussed that there are three types of malnutrition: protein, energy malnutrition, mineral deficiency disease, over intake of nutrients. Now we will discuss first protein energy malnutrition. Protein energy malnutrition is occurred due to insufficient supply of protein. So decrease when protein supply is decreased, so also decreases the availability of energy, and absorption of energy decreases the absorption of energy. This disease usually occurred in children. It is occurred in growing period of the children. Due to this cause of death in developed country, due to this cause of death may cause death of children. There are two types of protein energy malnutrition: kwashiorkor, first disease, and second disease is marasmus. Kwashiorkor due to protein deficiency disease. It is occurred age of about 12 months when breastfeeding is discontinued. When child breastfeeding is discontinued, it can also occur during developing age, more than 1 year. After 1 year, after 12 months, it can also occur during developing age. Symptoms: their symptoms are may grow to normal height. The height of children may grow to normal, increase the height from normal growth, but children are thin. Children become thin. In marasmus, it is also due to protein deficiency. It is occurred during the age of about 6 months to 1 year. In this disease, patient's body lose fat and muscle strength. Muscles cannot work properly. Their symptoms are the child show small according to their age, show poor growth, and also thin. Their skeletal appearance acquire skeletal appearance. This is a marasmus. Insufficient protein energy malnutrition, insufficient supply of protein, so decreased availability of energy usually occur in children. It is occurred in growing period. Due to this cause of death in developed country. Kwashiorkor, there are two types of protein energy malnutrition: kwashiorkor and marasmus. Due to protein deficiency, kwashiorkor is due to protein deficiency. Age of about 12 months when breastfeeding is discontinued. It can also occur during developing age. Symptoms may grow to normal height, but children are thin. Marasmus due to protein deficiency, during 6 months to 1 year age, lose body fat and muscle strength. In this disease, muscle cannot work properly. Symptoms are small according to their age. Children small according to their age, show poor growth. Subscribe our channel for more videos.